this moment and let Mr. JK make a presentation.
We're not native.
Henan Zhongqingyuan Machinery Equipment Co. Ltd. adheres to the technical route of independent R&D and innovation. After years of technical research, it has developed a new domestic, original thermal catalytic cracking process, which has the advantages of less equipment investment and simple production process. The larger scale, complete sets of environmental protection equipment, developed and manufactured by the companies are technologically leading in China. The products comply with national industrial policies, featuring energy conservation, environmental protection, safety, and stability, with zero emissions and pollution-free throughout the whole process, and have great market advantages. The company's main business is the R&D, production and sales of special environmental protection equipment. It has rich experience and leading technology in the recycling and comprehensive utilization of waste resources, such as waste tires, medical waste, waste plastics, and waste oil sludge. The equipment technology developed and produced by the company has passed the ISO 9001 to 2015 International Quality Management System Certification, ISO 14001 to 2015 International Environmental System Certification, and CE certification of the European and American Standard Quality System. The products are sold well in nearly 30 provinces, municipality, and autonomous regions across the country and are exported to more than 70 countries on 5 continents around the world, including Spain, Poland, and Austria in Europe, the United States, Brazil, and Mexico in the Americas, South Korea, Vietnam, Saudi Arabia, India, and Pakistan in Asia, Australia and Papua New Guinea in Oceania, and South Africa, Angola, and Egypt in Africa.